Good morning children. Welcome back to Social Studies tutorial. I hope you have understood well the concept of globe which we have completed in our last session, that a globe is a three-dimensional representation of the earth which is in a tilted manner. Then we have also done some points of reference on the globe. These were the axis, north pole and south pole and equator. So afterwards, students, we have learnt about the relative and absolute location. So today we are going to learn about the lines of latitudes. We are going to learn about the lines of latitudes. Now let's understand what the latitudes are. So students, we have already done about that globe, that this is your globe. So what exactly there is a line or the points of reference. Just because of this, I just made you reminded of that points of reference or the features of the globe, that there is an imaginary line at 0 degree. Then what exactly? It just divides the globe into two equal parts, that is northern and the southern hemisphere. So what exactly this imaginary line is called your latitude. So the latitudes are the imaginary lines that run horizontally. These are the horizontal lines across the surface of the earth. So these horizontal lines are referred as lines of latitudes. Now students, what exactly? These are also known as parallels. These are also known as parallels because this goes along the other lines. So just because of this, these are known as lines of parallels. Then what exactly? As I told you that there is a 0 degree. That is known as equator. So what happens, students, that equator divides the earth into two equal halves. That is the upper part, that is lying towards the north, that is called northern hemisphere, and the below part lying towards the south, that is called southern hemisphere. So these lines just are that is above the equator, these are known as north latitudes, and below this, that is south latitudes. Now students, let's understand some of the important parallels. Students, you can have a look at this diagram, that there is at 0 degree there is equator which divides the earth into two equal halves. Then the upper part, that is northern hemisphere, the lower part, that is southern hemisphere. So now what exactly at 23.5 degree north, there is Tropic of Cancer. This parallel is known as Tropic of Cancer. On the other hand, if you coming downwards towards south, then at 23.5 degree it lies Tropic of Capricorn. What it lies? Tropic of Capricorn. Then if we go towards the north, then at 66.5 degree there is Arctic Circle. What it lies? Arctic Circle. Then if we goes down towards south pole, then at 66.5 degree there is Antarctic Circle. What it is? Antarctic Circle. And there are two dots. You can see these two dots. The upper towards the north side, this is known as North Pole, and this is known as South Poles. So students, these are the important parallels. The first is equator, which lies at 0 degree latitudes, that we have seen this one. Then the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 from the not from the equator, that is Tropic of Cancer. The third is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south from the equator. Then your Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north, that is here. Then the Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees south from the south towards the equator. So these were the important parallels. So now students, let's learn the characteristics of parallels. Here we are talking about the characteristics of parallels, that the parallels are the lines of latitude run parallel to the equator. These run parallel to the equator. These run parallel to the equator from west to east. This is actually the direction. They run from west to east. As you know about the directions, that this is north, south, west and east. Fine. So they run across west to east. Then the next is, they are at equidistant from each other. Equidistant, that means the equidistant, that means at a equal distance. The next is, they are numbered upward and downwards from the equator. So whenever they are numbered, so they are numbered from the equator. As you all know that the equator lies at 0 degrees, so they are numbered from both the sides, north and south. So and they increases, their number increases from 0 degree to 90 degrees, both north as well as south poles. Then the letters N and S. There are two letters N and S. So N here is used to indicate north, whereas south is used to indicate, S used to indicate south. Then there are 180 degrees of latitudes on the pool. As we have already seen that there are the poles at 90 degree, and here is 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, that is of 180 degree. Fine. So these were the characteristics of the parallel. Equator is the longest parallel. Equator is the longest parallel because that the latitude lines decrease from equator towards the poles. So equator is the longest parallel line. So these were the characteristics of the parallel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.